Shopping for long-term care insurance is hard. Maybe not. Hi, I'm Scott Olson, co-founder of LTCShop.com and author of Long-Term Care Insurance Now. In this episode, I'm going to show you our four-step process, the four-step process that we have at LTCShop.com to help make buying long-term care insurance easier for you. The first step is a brief introductory phone call. Lasts about 20 minutes in most cases. And the purpose of that call is to learn about two things: your health history and what do you want your long-term care policy to do for you. Now, the health history is the most important because your health history determines two things. It determines which policies you're able to qualify for, and also it determines how much your premium is going to be. It's one of the main factors in determining how much your premium is going to be. And that phone call is private. It's with me. It takes, like I said, about 15 to 20 minutes. After we've completed that phone call, or it could be a Zoom, I'll get to work on comparing the top policies. I'll reach out to the different companies that I work with to find out which of them are most likely to approve you with a good rate. And then I'll put all that information together and I'll send it to you, either electronically or through the mail. After you've received that information and have had a chance to review it, then we'll go to step two. Step two is where we schedule another phone call or a Zoom call, and we review all the different quotes, and I answer all your questions about the different policies and why I'm recommending one company versus another company, or one policy versus another policy. After that, the third step is completing the application. Every long-term care insurance policy, you have to complete an application with contact information and health questions. And then we go through the underwriting process. Depending upon the policy, the underwriting could take 1 day or 2 days. With some policies, it might take several weeks before we could get you approved based upon how much medical information the insurance company needs. After you go through the underwriting process, two things can happen. You can either be declined or approved. Now, if you're declined, we'll work with you to help you find a policy that you can qualify for. There's lots of different policies out there, lots of different types. We work with a dozen different companies, all with very different underwriting standards. So don't be discouraged if we apply for a policy, and you're denied that policy. That does happen. If you are approved, well, great. Then once you get your policy, you have 30 days to review it. And during that 30-day period, we can make any change you want. That's called a 30-day free look, and everyone's allowed to do that. And during that time, we'll review your policy together right over the phone or by a Zoom so that you're comfortable with how your policy works, how to file a claim, and make sure you're happy with it. Once you've got the policy, if you don't like it, you just cancel it and you'll get back any premium you might have paid. And there's one more step that you might want to take if you haven't done it yet. Go to LTCShop.com, click on Policy Finder, answer a few quick questions, and within 1 business day, we'll send you a customized quote for long-term care insurance. You'll understand how much a policy is likely to cost you and about how much you can get in benefits. And after you do that, well, then go to step 1 and set up an introductory phone call. Thanks a lot.